I think a lot of people in plant science, I went into biology thinking I was going to be a animal ecologist, or maybe I would go through medicine. And then I realized that that definitely wasn't for me, and I took a course in plant physiology and fell deeply in love. And as my career has progressed, I have specialized in trying to look at strategies to increase crop productivity, particularly. And at the end of the day, we can't cure diseases, but if we can't feed the people, that becomes irrelevant. So I think first we have to have enough food for our global population, and that's really why I'm doing what I'm doing. My focus for the last probably 9 to 10 years has been photosynthesis research. So looking at ways to increase photosynthesis, to increase, well, carbon capture and plant growth, which leads to potentially to increases in yield of plants. But I'm also interested on how we can combine the research and all the new knowledge that we've generated from photosynthesis research and put it together with stress tolerance. So how can we make plants more productive under drought or under insect attack, or how are those things coming together? Because we don't just need more food, but we need plants that are going to be able to cope with the irregularities that come with climate change. So I'm not in the lab that much anymore, which is a shame. I used to really enjoy lab work, and that's one of the things about becoming a group lead, that the amount of time we've got to be in the lab isn't as much. But I do meet with students on a regular basis. So on any particular day, I will most likely be talking to at least one student, whether it's undergraduate or postgraduate. Particularly with postgraduate students, I will be talking about their research. I'll be writing grants and papers, and talking to colleagues about new projects and just developing ideas and trying to get them into action. So for a general biology student, I'll probably say explore as much as you can. You will have some experience in field biology and molecular biology. Look at whether animals or cells are of interest, or plants, and then start focusing, but don't focus too early, because you might discover something that you didn't know you like and you might have been really, really good at. That would be my top advice. I think the next big challenge is going to be combining that plant productivity with stress tolerant responses, which is why I am in the field. But then I'm biased, so I don't know.